reality. Be ready. If you're not ready, get the f out. Reality's here, kid. Set in.
Just waking up in the morning, gotta thank God. I don't know, but today seems kinda odd. No barking from the dog, no smoke.
Hold on, we gotta look for this lawnmower here. Greg's tips of the day.
When I wake up in the morning and the alarm gets out of warning, I don't think I'll ever make it on time.
Not related to HVAC, but Greg's tips of the day. Ugly ducklings are the best type of women because beautiful and not hot chick attitude. Young hot chick, you got hot chick attitude. Yourself ugly duckling, because then they're nice and they get hot and they're always nice. Hey, I concur. Tell you something, that fucking attic was the fucking worst attic I've ever been in a long time. My back is killing me, I can't feel my fucking knees. It sucked, dude. That sucked. 7:45 at night. Not to mention, we installed this fucking thing last year. So like really, what the fuck? But issues with the previous employers and bullshit, dude. So, we're gonna get the ladder? No. Fuck me. That wouldn't have been good. Fucking leave our ladder. It's already bad enough this lady thinks I'm fucking nuts, dude. I'm telling you, right? Then we got my boy Shawnee here. What do you think of this day?
All day in the life, right?
I'm the cleanup artist, so I'm cleaning up all this shit. I mean, like, I had to re-level the unit. The fucking pitch was off. I think I had nothing but issues on this fucking job, dude. Then, where the thing was draining, on a fucking ladder, we had to go basically on the roof to find the drain. It goes right into a gutter. I mean, this is like... I didn't sign up for this shit, man. You got some streamage? Really?
Got the ladder. We got a nice little pop.
Guy's the best, dude.
Put your loving hand out, baby.
So this is what I'm dealing with right now.
Zombie. I'm begging, begging you to put your loving hand out, baby. I'm begging, begging you to put your loving hand out, darling. Riding high when I was king, I played it hard and fast, I had everything. I walked away, you want me then, but easy come and easy go, and it wouldn't. So anytime I bleed, you let me go. Yeah, anytime I feel, you got me, no. Anytime I see, you let me know. But the plan and see, just let me go. I'm on my knees when I'm begging, cause I don't wanna lose you. Hey, yeah, da, 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 cause I'm begging, begging you. Put your love in the hand out, baby. I'm begging, begging you. Put your love in the hand out, darling. I need you to understand. Try so hard to be.
Ow.
Oh. Shadow all my life was hanging over me. Broken man that I don't know. won't even stand, I never stand to be my soul while we're chewing, what we chase.
This sucks.
Water damage.
Embrace it, why you feel for the need to replace me? You're the wrong way, trying to good. I went up in a feature town where we could be at. Like a heart in a best way, shit. You can give it away, you have, and you take the bait. But I keep walking on.
Good job, Sean. Good job, bro.
What? I tell you what?
Thank you, sir.
Oh, baby, I'm begging you to put your love in the hand out, darling. I'm finding hard to hold my own, just can't make it.